Hey buddies, what's up? Welcome to a new video on my channel, and today we're gonna replace the original CP4 injection pump with a CP3 injection pump. So the CP4 is a 2 piston pump and the CP3 is a 3 piston pump, and we're gonna do it on my car. It's an Audi A6 2011 TDI engine, 3 liter TDI V6. Yeah, the ones who are watching the video, they know already why they're replacing it. The CP3 can make more power, so if you do some big engine upgrades you need a CP3, or the CP3 is more reliable than the CP4, because the CP4 sometimes gonna destroy itself basically. And my CP4 is still fine. I'm probably gonna end up selling it, but I want a reliable high pressure pump. I go ahead and replace the pump, and next week we get a software update for this car, so it gets a stage 2 tune, and we'll see how that turns out. If you want to see it, subscribe, watch my video next week. So I'm gonna go ahead and start replacing it, and then we're gonna see us again later back here again. Okay, I'm in the shop now, and like you see, here's the old pump, the CP4. So I got my car on the lift. I don't know if we need it right now. Here are the parts I get, what we need to get a new pump in. There's a used CP3 pump, and brackets to mount it, and wheels for the pump and the camshaft, and of course a new belt. I go ahead and start to get the old pump out, and then I hit you up in a minute. Okay, you see I got a pump out, and that's the place where it was before. And we actually need for the other pump this hole right down here too, because we have another bracket for the pump. So that's the CP4, 2 piston pump, CP3 3 piston pump. So what else do you need for the fuel lines is this adapter. It comes on here, so that is your high pressure line basically to the rails. This pump has 2 lines to the rails for each pump basically, one to the left and to the right rail. Here we have only 1 line, but that's not that's okay, because we have here this line goes from the left to the right rail, and this line goes from the pump to the left rail. So we got the pressure everywhere. So you need to block off this line here basically, and for the fuel, here you have, you see it here, the hoses go on right here with the clamp. So you need to put this on there and this, so you can mount it on the CP3, so you get your fuel feed and return line. Also you need this for the pump, and this for the camshaft, and that is a new bracket. It's a little different because you don't have this roll here anymore. That's basically it. And you need an extra screw. I use 2 shorter screws to get this bracket in there, because this bracket has this pump has no bracket at the back side, but this pump has this bracket there. Alright, see you in a minute. Okay, so the CP3 is now installed. Like you see here, that one big line is coming on top, the other line coming right there, that one line is going down, feeding that, and this is going over here, feeding this. We blocked it off with a ball bearing ball. That's about it. So so I started it already. It's running fine, and no error code is stored right now, but I didn't drove it yet. One thing is this this wheel, the camshaft wheel, you need 105A at the end, and the timing belt should be 5614 XS. It's 83 teeth belt. But it's kind of like this, but we don't have the idler. Alright, Okay, so that was the video how I replaced it, and yeah, I drove back home to here yesterday, about 50 miles, and no engine check light is coming on right now, but I don't know if there will be a check engine light coming on later on, but I will inform you in the next video. Car's running fine. I think it's running smoother than before, and yeah, that's about it. We're gonna see us next week.